Next illustration, which is quite different from the previous one, is in this illustration I am going to explain you the amount of the interest on capital. See, X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their fixed capital means the partner's current account will be opened, were rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively. For the year ended 31st March, the interest on capital was credited to them at the rate 10% instead of 8% per annum. That means they had made a mistake. They had made a mistake that they have to provide 8% per annum interest on capital, but by mistake they had paid 10%. So we have to rectify it. The interest on capital which they had paid at the rate of 10% should be reversed, and we have to provide the interest on capital at 8% to them. Clear? So firstly, what we have to do is we have to reverse the interest on capital of 10%. That means you have to write here, you have to make the adjustment table. Interest on capital wrongly credited to be reversed. Clear? So the capitals are fixed capital 2 lakh and 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh and 1 lakh. So on 3 lakh 10% will be 3 lakh into 10%, it becomes 30,000. We credited the interest on capital in the partner's capital or current account, but when you have to reverse it, then you have to write it on the debit side. So we will write, we have to remove the effect of this amount, so we will write on the debit side 30,000. Then on 2 lakh into 10%, 20,000, 1 lakh into 10%, 10,000. We have debited it in the partner's current account, so in firm we will credit it. 30 plus 20 plus 10 is 60,000. Now provide them with the right amount of the interest on capital. So we will write here interest on capital credited to be credited. How much amount? On 3 lakh 8%. The amount becomes 24,000, 16,000 and 8,000. We have credited it in the partner's current account, so in the firm we will debit it, and the total of the amount is 48,000. There is no another adjustment. So now find the firm is earning profits or losses. 60,000 and 48,000. The balance of credit side is 60,000 and debit side is 48,000. So there is a profit of 12,000. Clear? So profits to be credited, divide this 12,000 in the ratio 5:3:2. So the profits will be credited, the amount will be 6,000, 3,600 and 2,400. Clear? Now total the columns 30,000, 24,000 and 6,000 is 30,000. So it also becomes a nil. Now this is 20,000 and the total of this is 19,600. So there is a debit balance. The debit amount is greater than the credit amount. Here 10,000, 10,400. So the credit balance, because the credit amount is greater than the debit amount. So the difference is 400 and the difference is 400. So the person Y is debiting and the Z is crediting. So the entry will be debit amount Y is current account debit to Z's current account being adjustments of interest on capital was made and the amount is 400. Clear? So to do this, जब भी आपने ये क्वेश्चन करना है आपको अगर दिए हुए हैं कि उन्होंने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल जो है वो इतना देना था लेकिन गलती से इतना दे दिया, तो मतलब जितना गलती से दिया है उसे पहले क्या कर देना, रिवर्स करके डेबिट, और जितना हमने उनको देना है वो कर देना है क्रेडिट, और फिर देखना है कि हमें प्रॉफिट बच रहा है कि लॉस बच रहा है, और फिर हम कर देंगे पार्टनर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट। क्लियर जी? तो इसमें कोई भी ओपनिंग कैपिटल वगैरह फाइंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, तो आपने सिर्फ यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ही कैलकुलेट करना था, इसलिए एक टेबल बना पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट्स का और एक एंट्री पड़ गई। ठीक है, क्लियर?